What up guys, this is Inkar and you are welcome to the Governor World.
Genuine and creative ways to make money online. Paid surveys. Another straightforward online side hustle for you to make easy money is by doing paid surveys. Yes, it is true, it is not the most profitable venture, but it is worth giving a shot since it is easy and available. If you are worried about the legitimacy of this kind of income, then I promise you don't have to be. Paid surveys are perfectly legitimate and they are used by thousands of businesses out there. Companies need opinions from users and buyers in order to improve their products and services, as well as to create new ones, and the internet allows them to reach people who can provide them with reliable data, people they otherwise wouldn't have the chance to reach. A paid survey is basically giving your opinion on a service or products and getting paid for it. Number 1 on our list is Swagbucks. This is arguably the most popular paid survey site in the world. Every time you take a survey, you also earn Swagbucks points, which you can later use to redeem gift cards or cash. Swagbucks also offer you other activities such as web searching, playing games, and watching videos. Depending on the survey and the activity you do on the Swagbucks, you will be able to earn between $12 and $50 per survey. Number 2 on our list is Survey Junkie. This is one of the easiest, most straightforward survey sites on the web. It is a free membership site where you can earn up to $50 per survey. You will get your first paid survey offer as soon as you sign up, and you can take it when you are ready. The number 3 on our list is Inbox Dollars. The great thing about Inbox Dollars is that it doesn't practice the point system. It works by offering you cash right away through PayPal, but also if you want through gift cards. You can earn money by taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and by reading emails, but also by buying from the selected stores. The surveys on the Inbox Dollars are paid anywhere from 50 cents to $20, and each survey takes 2 to 25 minutes. The number 4 on our list is Branded Surveys. One of the most popular surveys and market research platforms that pay people for their opinions. It is a great opportunity to work from home and make money by doing surveys from the comfort of your home. Number 5, Live Points. Another great site for any extra cash. Live Point allows you to take surveys and then receive points, which you can then exchange for cash paid through PayPal, donation, or gift cards. The number 6 on our list is Toluna. Toluna is a paid survey site that works with big brands like Coca-Cola, Amazon, Kellogg's, Lorry, Sony Music, Fiat, and many more. It is very attractive because it allows you to pick topics you like, so you can have more fun doing the surveys. You can receive payment from them in cash or through voucher. You can also play some games on Toluna and win some extra cash. The number 7 and the final on our list is iSay. iSay offers you paid survey through IPSOS, a market research firm. iSay doesn't contain a big of variety of paid surveys as the other sites on this list, but it is still a very good site you can earn extra cash from.